Welcome back. Once again, I ask you kindly comment, like, share as you watch these videos. Okay, so whenever you comment like, it gives me more encouragement to do what I'm doing for you as you're watching now. The fact that you pick interest. Please subscribe, okay? You lose nothing to subscribe to my page, and I get more subscribers and views. Let's proceed. In this video, we're going to work on the edit page. Now, I simply want to do this in a simple way because that's what PHP allows me to do. We managed to make items visible and make them hidden in the previous video. For example, you can see here I only have 3. I can hide and remain with 1 category. Okay, let me hide this too. Remember, we're trying to do it in PHP. So if I go to home, I should be able to only see 1 category. And if you haven't watched the previous videos, do so. So if I click on image upload, I can only see 1 category. So if I go back to categories and unhide another, for example, aqua and marine, and then go back to home, okay, I should be able to see, I need to refresh. I should be able to see aqua and marine, and it's in alphabetical order. Great. That was a brief recap of what we did. So I want to edit now. Okay. I could put all this in one button of edit, then make visible, delete, things of the sort, but I'll make it brief. I just like it here, easy control. If you choose to delete, well and good, it gets hidden. Now, if you're doing, what do they call it? Oh, I need to add another here, which is called, okay, tag is not here for us. If you're doing no SQL, delete would work very well for you. But with MySQL, unfortunately, when you delete it, deletes the item in the table, and all things that depend on that particular ID will give errors because they can't find the ID. Great. But if that's not the case, let's proceed. So I want when you press edit, it takes you to the edit page. You edit the name, and then you do what? Everything can be done. I still have extra space. I can create a form here where you edit the name, and then everything gets done. So I have to come and create an edit page. So I'm going to go to remember our admin, and then I choose to 1, edit admin category. However, okay, so let's edit category dot blade dot php. Okay, so I'll just put a simple one here that says edit category page, just like we did before. And then we come to our code, which is under the menus now. Okay, the admin category. Okay, we want to edit, and then we're going to put an href. Okay, so remember to the URL, I'll just condense this so that you can see well. So this is blade, okay, to the URL. I want to also show you how they comment in blade in this video, which URL will be edit, okay, edit category, and then we want to access which category in an array. The category we want to access is the category ID. That's what we want to edit, that particular category ID. So I'll copy this, paste it here, save. So I might get an error here. And if I got that error out, especially it comes when you type let's say route. Let me see. Let me type route. If I get the error, then I'll be able to show you how they comment in Laravel. So in Laravel, this is how you comment: double dash, double dash. If I save and it refreshes again, because of the comment, okay, it has taken away the error. So this should be URL. You can choose whatever you want. I like URL mostly. Great. So when I click, it's supposed to take me to the edit page. The page edit category 1 cannot be found. Why? Because the URL is not present. So what do I need to do? I need to go to the web route and I put one that says get edit category. Okay. So I'm going to look for the same. I'm going to edit the category and the category ID. So edit category with that category ID. I do the same here, edit category. So I'm looking for edit category in the categories controller. So I'm going to go to the categories controller. Then I put a comment here that now this is the edit category method. Category method, which I'll do with a public function that says edit category, which will take in what do you want to edit. Okay, I want to take in only the ID because that's what I want to access. Only the ID. Okay, and then I should return now to that view. Okay, return to the view, which view will be under admin dot. This time around, let me use stroke edit category. I'm using stroke for your, for you to know that it works too. All right. Is it edit category? Yes. Edit category, not edit admin category. Great. So if I choose to edit the artwork, great, it goes to edit page. However, I always want to use dot for this case. It works the same. If I go back, refresh, and I choose to edit category 3, it works the same. So I want to display what I'll have in compact. I want to display some things on the page. Therefore, I need to find, okay? So which category are we editing? I'm going to say dollar category. This time around, we're not looking for categories. Dollar category is equal to category res. Remember the categories. The categories model, and then we want to find the ID of that category. ID. That's it. So we need to take back in the compact. We need to take back the category. Okay, so as a way of knowing if that really works, we're going to go to admin categories, edit category, and then we do a simple blade to see if it actually works. Edit category page for now category, dollar category. Let me see. It should be category and category name. Let me see what this gives us. It should give us now the array. Okay. So which array is the ID3 that we chose here to access, and then the category name, which is animals, visible 0. So which means we can get anything that we want from this that we wanted to edit. But I, for one, I want to particularly focus on the category name. Okay. So I may choose to do category name, or I could come back to our categories controller. Okay. Then I say that I, for one, I want to access the category name or find the name. So instead, I can include it here that I want to find the category name to be specific. So categories, find the ID and the column, find the ID under categories, that ID, and then go ahead and find the category name, which is animals. Okay. So if I go back to this and I choose to edit nature, it should give me that page category nature. Okay. Things of the sort. So I'm going to beautify this. I'm going to beautify this into an editable form that you can edit, and then you choose update. Let me return after beautifying it. But before I do that, by the way, okay, let me turn it into the form and then we go ahead and beautify it.